What would you do if one small accident, like knocking over a TV or scratching a hardwood floor, suddenly cost you $10,000 tomorrow? What if a client slipped, got injured, and your business was the one responsible? It sounds dramatic, but this happens every single day to cleaning businesses, contractors, and service providers just like us. Most small businesses think, that won't happen to me. I'm careful. My clients trust me. Until the day something goes wrong. It only takes one phone call, one complaint, and one invoice that you never expected. And suddenly everything you've worked for is on the line. Here's the truth. One accident can erase months or even years of progress. But here's the good news. After this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your business from those unexpected moments easily, affordably, and within minutes. Hey cleaning family, Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor here. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that I'm all about helping you build a real, legitimate, profitable business, a business that lasts. And part of that success is making sure that you're protected. Today, we're talking about something that most new business owners try to avoid: insurance, but not boring, complicated insurance. We're talking about Ergo Next insurance. Simple, fast, and built specifically for businesses like ours. Let's get into why this step matters so much. When you walk into a client's home or commercial property, whether you realize it or not, you're accepting liability. Things happen, even with trained staff. A cleaner bumps a vacuum into a glass table. A toilet leaks after service and causes water damage. A floor is still wet and a client slips later on. You might think, but I didn't do anything wrong. Sadly, that does not matter legally. A client can sue you even if they've contributed to the accident, it was an honest mistake, it was outside of your control. And lawsuits, they can be tens of thousands of dollars easily, plus the lawyer fees, plus lost work, plus emotional stress. Insurance exists to catch you before that fall becomes devastating. So let's break down the most essential protections. General liability insurance. Think of general liability like a shield around your business. It steps in when things go wrong. It covers things like accidental property damage, bodily injuries, legal claims and attorney fees, third-party accidents and liability. This is the minimum protection every legit business should have. Without it, clients don't trust you, big contracts won't hire you, and one accident can destroy everything. With it, you look professional, you win more clients, you sleep better at night, and your business becomes scalable. Clients love knowing that you're insured. It shows responsibility and professionalism.
This video is powered by Ergo Next,
the smarter, faster way to get coverage for your cleaning business. Don't wait until it's too late. Grab your free quote today by using the link in the description of this video. So why is it that I recommend Ergo Next Insurance specifically? Because they get it. They understand small business owners. They understand our industries. And they make it very easy. When you go to their site, they ask you, what industry best fits your business? And guess what? Cleaning is right there, along with a number of other industries. Just select it, and instantly they tailor coverage based on your real professional risks. Other industries that they support: construction, food and beverage, retail and e-commerce, offices and professionals, and cleaning. They remove the confusion and give you exactly what you need, nothing extra that you don't. And the best part, you get results within minutes. You don't need to schedule a phone call, you don't have to deal with pushy sales agents, and you do not have to wait days for approval. You answer a few questions, see your price instantly, purchase online, and download your certificate of insurance immediately. Send additional insured certificates directly to property managers. This is huge if you're bidding on commercial jobs. Property managers love it when you can send documents fast. It makes you look highly established, even if you're brand new. It's not just coverage, it's a sales advantage. And if you're growing, Ergo Next will grow with you. You can add on workman's compensation, which is required once you start to hire employees in most states, tools and equipment coverage, which replaces things if they're lost or stolen, commercial auto, which protects your vehicles used for your business, and bonding, especially helpful in janitorial and government contracts. You can start with what you need now, then upgrade and add as you expand. This is perfect for cleaning businesses, scaling step by step. Let me be real with you for a moment. So many business owners wait until something goes wrong. They think insurance is just an added expense. They treat it like a maybe later thing. But the confident, successful cleaning business owners, they protect their businesses before there's a problem. because they understand that protecting what you've already built equals protecting your future. If I didn't have insurance in my early days, I can tell you right now, I would not have survived. The cleanings that I messed up on, the floors that we've scratched, the unexpected situations that we have been in, insurance has saved me from having to close my company on more than one occasion, to be completely honest. It saved my reputation, it protected my family, and it gave me the confidence to go bigger. And that's what I want for you guys. You didn't start this business just to scrape by. You started it to change your life, to provide for your family, and to build freedom and opportunity. Don't leave that future unprotected. So if you're ready to secure your business, show up more professionally, and start landing higher paying clients, tap the link in the description of this video or my bio to get insured instantly with Ergo Next today. It only takes a few minutes and you could be fully protected before your next clean. Let's build your business the right way, with systems, with support, with professionalism, and with protection every step of the way. Let's keep scaling, keep winning, and keep believing in ourselves. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified for the next video upload. Also, be sure to join my members only YouTube subscription, where you will find a number of members only videos that are not on my regular channel. And if you're looking for group coaching, be sure to join my online community, the CEO Success Circle. For just $47 a month, you will get weekly calls, support, and access to a number of my online courses and digital products. Until next time, cleaning family.